All right, everybody. So now that you have learned what the different personality types mean after watching that YouTube video, you are going to take the test yourself. All right, so you're going to need to go to 16personalities.com. It is also linked in the assignment and it's stated multiple times. Okay, so you're going to go to this website and then it says take the test. You're just going to click on take the test. It's 90 questions, which seems like a lot, but it's not going to take you that long. All right, be honest with your answers. Be as true to yourself as you can. It's going to help you out in this class as we go forward in a couple different subject areas. Try to avoid staying neutral. So as we see down here, it's going to give you like all of these little boxes. The closer you can go to disagree or agree, the better. It's going to give you a more accurate reading than if you were to just stay in the middle here. Okay, now sometimes you do truly feel neutral, and that's fine. But the more times that we can stay to the side, the better that's going to be. All right, so you're going to go to 16personalities.com. You're going to screenshot your results. Okay, the most important thing is going to be these results that we get at the end and what they mean. You're going to have to play around a little bit on the webpage to try to get them, but you're going to need these percentages right here. All right, so it's going to tell you if you are 90% extroverted or 30% extroverted. Okay, you're going to need to know that. So make sure you screenshot it. Get your results by email. Try to save it as many different ways as you can. The more information you have, the better. Okay, so like I said, you're going to need these percentages here. You can read more under each of those. That's going to be helpful as well. And you're going to need those percentages for your worksheet. Okay, so your worksheet is going to be linked in your assignment. It's going to ask you what percentage extrovert, what percentage introvert are you? Go back to here, 11%, 89%. Okay, 63%, 37%. Okay, so you're going to write those in here. And then let's say you are 81% feeling. Okay, I'm going to color in all the blue boxes that equal 81%. Very similar to what they did here. Okay, so they're 81%. They colored in those boxes there. So the side that has the biggest percentage is the side you are coloring. So if I was only 10% extroverted, I would color in 90% introvert from this side. Okay, so you're going to have to put your percentages, color it in, and then answer the questions beneath each of these, and then turn this in by midnight tonight.